Hello. Today I will show you how to manage templates using the Voucher Creator plugin. First, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click on All Templates. You'll be taken to a page where all templates are listed with the published dates. You can also perform bulk actions like edit and move to trash. From the bulk actions dropdown, select Edit, choose the templates you want to modify, and click Apply. Here, I have selected all templates. You can now update their status. Click Update to apply the changes to all selected templates. Next, you can move templates to trash either individually or in bulk using the Move to Trash option. Trash templates will appear in the trash list. Click on Restore and trash templates will be restored. Clicking on Empty Trash will permanently delete the templates from the list. Click on Published to view only published templates. Click on Draft to view vouchers saved in draft status. Now, click on All again to view all available templates. You can filter vouchers based on the month they were created or published. I selected December and clicked Filter, and all vouchers created in December are displayed. Use the search bar to find a specific templates by title. I searched for the keyword test, and all templates containing this word appeared in the search results. Thank you for your time.